Good morning from Bali. It is 8 in the morning and we are getting ready for a morning surf session. I think they're already on the scooters. Okay, so let's go surf. One bad thing about Bali, the roads here and the traffic is terrible. They have no system at all. We've been to Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia. Nothing can compare to Bali. They're just chilling on the sidewalk, chilling on the sidewalk. What the hell? First, a little pit stop for breakfast. One moose But we are doing a segment today on how to act like a pro surfer. We are not that good at surfing yet, but the other surfers out there don't know that. You just have to act pro. So we're gonna teach you how to do that. First step is of course this one. You say it everywhere. Yee! Woo! Starbucks, woo! Yee! Ooh. Oh, I was gonna say that. One more. Second step, get a nutritious breakfast. Because surfers need nutrition when you're out there paddling. You can't have no cheeseburgers when you're paddling. But look at this beauty. Eat with the beat. Woo! Okay, we made it to the beach. Third step on how to act like a pro surfer. You gotta look like a surfer first. So, Jacob's rocking. Jacob has the Bali rip curl on with rip curl. And he has also rip curl.
How are you? I'm good.
Hey brother. And I have Billabong. So, now that we look like pro surfers, you just have to act like them.
Just grab the smallest board.
And just go for it, yee! I was just about to go surf. Look at that, these awesome waves. They're super clean. And guess who forgot the GoPro? So I have to go all the way back to the villa, 20-minute drive, and then back, and then go surf. So, let's hurry up. That really sucks. Dumb. That is not how surfers do it. Okay, where are you? We have a problem. I can't find the GoPro here either. I might have forgotten at the restaurant we ate breakfast, but came all the way back here. This is not good, not good. Okay. Oh. You gotta be kidding me. I checked my bag once more. Oh God. It's right here. But I drove half an hour home to get this. And it was in my bag the whole time. It was just in another pocket that I didn't look. I feel so dumb right now. Okay, well let's go surf. And we are back. Okay, we are soon ready to hit some waves. Or act like we're hitting waves. Okay, we are ready. Pick an awesome go. You gotta feel the board. You gotta feel it. This looks good. Waxed already. Okay, another trick to look good at surfing is you just gotta point at the swells, bro. Just point. Like there. Oh, dude, look at the swell there. And like the audience behind you, people that are sitting and tanning, just look at you like, oh my God, that guy's a surfer. He's just pointing out those waves. Oh yeah. And just look at those waves. And you know, just give a little walk too along the beach, you know? Just walk, own it. You're a surfer, bro. You're a surfer. And just walk and stroll on the beach. Now people know I'm a surfer. And I think I'm super good. What I hate most about surfing. You see this wave here? I hate getting out of that wave. It is terrible because it just looks embarrassing when you just wash up on the sand here. Okay, but we just need to wait until it calms down and then just run out. And let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh. And paddle out, paddle out. No! Not pro, dude. Not pro at all. If you're trying to act like a pro surfer, the paddle out is actually more important than the actual surfing. Your paddle should look awesome. Up with your chest like you're the boss, and just stroke them. Stroke. Stroke. Hell yeah. Own that one. Own it. I'm the best. Okay, but the mission now is to find Jacob and Tooth. Hey, I found both. There's Jacob, there's Tooth. Where all the surfers are. Now we just gotta act cool, act like we're surfers. Okay. Like a pro surfer, you sit on your board, just waiting for the Mavericks, the swell. Just sitting here waiting for the swells. Oh shit, oh shit. Still a pro, still a pro.
Remember we were running wild, never even felt like we were broke. Using friends as alibis, no one ever knew just where we're going.
Okay, let's try to surf some waves.
We feel like always, just pretend it's always. Kiss me like it's
Oh my god, that was fun! Ah, shit! Woo! Alrighty, I think that wraps up the surf session for today. It was actually pretty fun. But I hope you learned how to act like a pro surfer and how to manipulate surfers, because that's what it's about. It's not about actually being good at surfing, it's about people thinking that you are good at surfing. It is a 30-minute ride home, so we are gonna spin to home. And we are back at the cribbo. And as you can see, if you can see it on the camera, I'm super sunburned on my face. I'm a tomato. I'm a freaking tomato, bro. But that's just lesson learned. I gotta put on more sunscreen when I'm out there, because we were there for like 4 or 5 hours. Yeah, super fun session. But I'm gonna jump on the scooter, head down to the beach, and film some sunset footage with the drone. Let's go. Good. Snaggis. Bra med oss en glas. Snaggis! See you! And we just made it. Look at that. Beautiful. I should have gone a bit earlier, but I was kind of in a rush because it's kind of already gone down now, but now it is beautiful. Look at the cute dog. Fluffy dog. Okay, he doesn't like me. Okay, thank you, bye-bye. Try to fly up the drone and get some sunset shots.
Remember we were running wild, never even felt like we were broke. Using friends as alibis, no one ever knew just where we're going. Broken down in bathrooms, listening to brand new. Thought you'd never let me go. Now we just too late.
But okay, it's been a big long day. A good long day. And it's time to pack up. I have to start editing this. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed it, I post weekly vlogs on this channel. So hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video. Woo, bye-bye.